How to pick up an order in Foodpanda. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to pick up the order in Foodpanda. Open the Foodpanda app on your mobile phone. Log in to your account first. See your location to confirm your location. Go to the food delivery option on the top of the screen. Select any of your favorite restaurants, and after that, select anything for delivery. By adding to your cart, you can view the cart by selecting it. Place your order by adding your address. Choose the payment method according to your choice and confirm your order. It will show you the option to pick up your order. You have to continue it, and you can pick up your order straight from the restaurant. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.